Hi DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's DIY craft video is 2 glam DIYs using mirror and diamonds. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned, but please remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's get to crafting. Alright DIY Glamettes, for DIY number 1, we're going to be taking this odd shaped thrifted vase that we're going to reuse. I'm also using my Lowe's Color Place white spray paint. I'm using that diamond crush sheet from Bead Park, and I'm using those jot border trim from Dollar Tree. My vase is painted. Now we're going to jazz this vase up so that we can glamify it. And I decided to use my diamond rhinestone sheet instead of that crushed glass epoxy sheet. Now we're just going to lay on that diamond rhinestone sheet. And you guys, I do love using the self-adhesive sheets. You ought to invest and use some if you're a crafter. It makes your projects go by way smoother. But I'm just measuring it out and cutting it. And I'm going to then be taking my mirror mosaic tile. I changed this DIY project out completely, but I'm going to line this diamond rhinestone sheet with this mirror towel, and I'm going to create a 5-layer design on the front of this vase. And DIY Glamettes, make sure you come back tomorrow at the same time. I do my 15 days of series here on my channel every year from November the 15th through November the 30th, and it is my pre-setup leading up to all of my Christmas, and you'll get exposed to Christmas stuff as well. But make sure you come back tomorrow. We'll be dropping a video for the remainder of this month at 2:32 p.m. and I hope you're liking what we're creating so far, and I promise you guys, we got some nice things in store for you. You're gonna like to see what we have coming, and we're gonna have some special DIY projects. And I was just showing you, I got ointment on my finger because I burnt it severely, but I'm still trying to knock out these projects. So just stay tuned and let's see how this vase ends up. And please don't forget, if you're still watching and you're not a part of Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button. Now, you may be wondering, what do you get here on Glam Queen of DIY? We do DIY room decor, DIY decorating ideas. We do high-end DIYs, DIY accessory, DIY hacks, and a little bit of budget home renovation as well. If that sounds interesting to you, I do need you to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell twice. It'll turn blue. Then you'll know every time that we are uploading. Now, for every DIY that is created here on the Glam Queen of DIY, to see it styled in my home or someone's home for that matter, you got to go over to the Glam Queen of Decor. And please don't forget to also subscribe to Glam Queen Unboxing and Glam Queen Vlogs. Everyone, we truly appreciate all of your love and your support. Also, drop me a comment down in the comment section if you're liking the content we're creating. Also, leave me a suggestion if you would like to see me craft something. I have got y'all ideas and I'm working some of them out, and some of you will be seeing them very soon. But this is what DIY number 1 looks like. If you're liking DIY number 1, just drop a comment number 1 in that comment section, and I know you're favoring us. And yet, once again, please make sure you subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen Unboxing. Now, for DIY number 2, this is a Dollar Tree DIY. We're taking those stemless wine glasses, those hurricanes as well, and we're going to also still be using our Color Place white spray paint from Lowe's, and we're going to be using that crushed diamond epoxy sheet. But you guys, I did just reuse the same items that I used in DIY number 1. I changed it up. I used that diamond rhinestone sheet and that mirrored mosaic tile. Now here are my pieces painted, and I'm going to go ahead and start by layering on my diamond rhinestone sheet. I have pre-cut all my pieces. Now let's jazz up DIY number 2. You guys, always be careful if you're using that mirrored mosaic tile. It depends on how it's cut. You will have a lot of times frayed or short pieces of glass on it. I've used it a while, so I handle it a certain way even though it doesn't look like it. And I will still tell you, I have been cut and have gotten a lot of glass in my hand. We're getting ready to I'm sorry, I can't even talk. We're getting ready to dress up that top of this vase, and all of these vases, I use them as candle holders. I always put a flameless candle holder or either a tea light in them so that they can give off light. But we're going to dress this up, and again, I'm still using that diamond rhinestone sheet, which is from beadpark.com, along with this mirrored mosaic tile. Make sure you check out Bead's Park website link. I'm dropping it down in my description, and so that you can pick up you some fabulous accessories for my fellow crafters and my glam DIYers. And if you're liking the white and silver DIYs mixed with that mirrored mosaic tile, drop me a comment down in the comment section. Bling it on. You heard me right, bling it on. Every time I see bling it on, I know you do like these types of DIYs. we're getting ready to connect the two pieces together, everyone. And I'm going to be using my liquid nails and a little bit of hot glue. It only takes a little dab of it, but you guys, liquid nails normally takes 36 to 48 hours to cure. So once I put these pieces together, we'll let them sit to give them ample time enough to dry and seal together. And we're finna finish this off by adding on our centerpiece. You know, I always like adding some type of embellishment where the connecting points of my accessories, and I'm just still taking that diamond rhinestone adhesive sheet, and we're just going around, and I'm using it in a row of 6. DIY Glamettes, this completes DIY number 2. I hope you have enjoyed both of these DIYs that I have created. Make sure you come back tomorrow at 2:32, same time, same place. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs.
Say